Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the video and inspecting layers closely. You need to know whether the emoji is a sticker layer or baked into pixels. Tap the clip and look above the timeline for sticker, text, or overlay PNG tracks. If present, select that track and try delete. If nothing deletes, it means the emoji is part of the footage. Make sure to mark that so you use removal or masking next. This saves time and prevents unnecessary edits later. If the emoji is a sticker, delete it and scrub the timeline to confirm no keyframes remain. Once done, make sure to check position and opacity tracks and remove any keyframes so it doesn't reappear. For a burned-in emoji, use Capcut's Remove Object tool by drawing around the emoji and letting the app process. If artifacts appear, switch to mask. Draw a precise mask, feather 10-30%, and add keyframes to follow motion. This hybrid approach balances. After removal, always preview the whole clip at 100% to catch jitter or cloning artifacts. If you see seams, refine the mask edges, adjust feathering, or add small patch clips layered over the area to hide residue. Once satisfied, export using the original frame rate and resolution to avoid motion mismatch. If removal still looks off, try manual frame-by-frame masking or use a dedicated desktop editor. This troubleshooting step often resolves stubborn burned-in emoji that automatic tools can't cleanly remove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.